A lion, a wolf, and a fox went out together to hunt. They caught a nilgai, blue bull, a wild goat, and a rabbit. The lion noticed that the wolf and the fox also desired a share of the hunt. Sensing their intentions, the lion first called the wolf and asked him to divide the prey fairly. The wolf said, "Your Majesty, you are the greatest, so the nilgai is your share. The wild goat is medium-sized, so it is my share. And the rabbit is the fox's share." The lion roared, "Who are you to decide justice in my presence?" He called the wolf closer and struck him with such force that the wolf died instantly. Next, the lion called the fox and asked her to divide the prey. The fox, with great respect, said, "Your Majesty, what division? The nilgai is your breakfast, the wild goat is your lunch, and the rabbit is your dinner." The lion was pleased with her response and praised her sense of justice. He asked her, "Where did you learn to divide so fairly?" The fox replied, "From the fate of the wolf." The lion, pleased, granted all 3 shares of the hunt to the fox. Moral of the story: learning from the outcomes of others is the way of the wise. It saves them from a bad fate.